new HR people will be the true polymaths. We'll be speakers, we'll be teachers, we'll be motivators, we'll be writers, we'll be marketers, we'll be leaders. I can't wait. Hi everyone, it's Martin here from hrwaterfall.com. I'm sure you all know that moment where you're just about to leave your home and from nowhere you just get a massive wave of nostalgia about it. There's really nothing stopping us taking hold of this industry and making it the best industry out there in the world of work. And by doing that, the brilliant thing is that we can make the world of work better for people in all of the professions that we help to get jobs and we help to develop, and we can just do that so much more than before. It's massively windy, the microphone will blow up. Excited to be talking to you from the hills of Yorkshire. I'm right at that moment where I'm going away for 6 weeks, and yeah, I'll miss the green of here, the stone walls that you can see behind me. But in my mind, I know I'm going to be coming back here, and I'm going to be doing great work here. There's something of my heart in Yorkshire, and there always will be. So I think it's important to do the first one here, as rough as it is sitting in my car. But that's the way it's got to be. The world is ready for us to give them more.